This is America in Space, a weekly news and information program on current events dealing with the space industry. From the Washington News Bureau, here is your host, Rick Potlock.
Hello, it's good to be back. The podcast studio is back, a little more background noise with the new layout, but as Walter Cronkite says, that's the way it is. This is part one of a two-part series on the sounds of space. Yes, we all know that the vacuum of space is less than ideal for auditory transmission, but sound waves can travel through solid objects. And with that, we go to part one of our series. There's a new project using a process called sonification that turns images from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and other telescopes into sound. This allows users to listen to the center of the Milky Way as observed in X-ray, optical, and infrared light. The cursor moves across the image. Sound represents the position and brightness of the sources, and those other telescopes include Hubble and Spitzer, as well as NASA's InSight lander on Mars. Okay, now admit it. You've just had a flashback to the last time you were at the Space Planetarium, right? I know. Stars and compact sources are converted to individual notes, while extended clouds of gas and dust produced an evolving drone. This is the crescendo of Sagittarius A, called A star. It's the blast wave of high energy, and it sounds like this. I don't know about you, but we've got animals in the house, and the dog and the cat here did not react very well when they started hearing the sounds of what NASA calls the sinister sounds of space. So keep an eye on your animals when you're listening to this. NASA's Juno spacecraft has observed plasma wave signals from Jupiter's ionosphere. This sound was captured in February 2017. In our next episode, I'll have some really good sounds, including sound from the Pillars of Creation, which is perfect since we're in the holiday season, and sounds from the Mars rover Perseverance. Next week on America in Space. Tuesday on About Space Today, David Denault will have more on the space industry. Reporting from the Washington News Bureau, I'm Rick Potlock.
Thanks for listening. Be sure to share our program with your family and friends and follow us on Facebook. Join us each week for news and information on America in Space.